feel like I should just cook and talk anymore. I didn't put makeup on. I just got home from work and took a shower and got shampoo in my eye. So there's that. If you guys want to know what I'm cooking, it is chicken and broccoli. I will link that above. I probably put way too much oil on here. Oh well. And hopefully Finley will eat some rice again today. But no promises here. I worked and now I'm so tired. I don't even want to do anything. I got some schoolwork I have to do though. And kids have schoolwork they have to do. They have to do some schoolwork tomorrow. And then I think tomorrow is their last day because of Easter. How are you guys doing Easter this year, considering? I'd like to hear what you guys are doing because we're kind of up in the air as to what we're doing. I think we're having dinner at my mom's house though because we all share the same germs since they're my babysitters. Also, I'd like to mention this is for rice, and I eyeballed 2 cups exactly because I then was like, well, I should really probably measure this, and I put it in a measuring cup and it was 2 cups exactly. I was very proud of myself. Finley is on ABC Mouse. She just popped all of these balloons so that she could get to this puzzle, and now she's doing the puzzle. It's really loud, but... And I got the microwave going too. Oh, look, it doesn't. They're already sticking. This is my life. Also, I'm thinking about having people send stuff for Xander. I posted on Facebook. I was like, hey, if anybody wants to send cards for Xander's birthday, it's the only thing I can really think of. And like, if you guys have the same issue at your guys' place, let me know. But some Walmarts, I guess, around here are making it so you can't buy clothing or toys. I don't know how true it is because I haven't been to a store because I don't want to. But I want to know what it's like where you guys are. This apartment's trifling. But I think I want to make a homeschool area either like with this. I might incorporate it here. But also put like the dry erase board and stuff here. I don't know. That might be a whole nother video. But I'm kind of thinking about putting the calendar and stuff here. And then, I don't know, putting like their supplies and stuff here. And then making this the charge station. Because this is his Chromebook from school. And then you saw her laptop. You know what I forgot to do? Ooh! I almost spilt that. I forgot to season it. Go Taylor. I forgot. How is that a thing? What other seasonings can I use? I literally use seasoned salt, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I don't know what else I can use, like, as a regular basis. That's what I use on normal for, like, everything. Anything that I make will have these on it. I am not a chef by any means of the term. I have another question. Where do you guys put your chips? Like, do you see all these chips and, like, bread? Where do you put them? I'm having a problem. I don't know where to put anything. Actually, I think I just answered my question. I'm going to put them in the snack cabinet. That sounds good.
Listen up, I gotta tell you, there is something you should know. I have never...
I'm pretty sure when I made this last time, I showed you guys that I don't know how to use actual broccoli. Now I gotta heat this because I forgot that I didn't have that on a burner to get to boiling. So that's the whole thing. We're gonna put this on here. Gonna mix this all together. And before all of this crap happened, I ordered books from Scholastic through Finley's preschool. And apparently they just came to the teacher today. So the teacher's going to be coming over. And she goes, do your kids know about the 6-foot rule? And I was like, yes, they know. And then Xander was like, well, does she have the corona? I said, well, we don't know. Because we could all be asymptomatic and da-da-da-da-da. You know, talking to a almost 8-year-old about that. They don't understand. It's been rough, But then he goes, Mom, stay 6 feet apart from me. And then I went to Finley because I was helping her. And he goes, Mom, get away from Sissy. acting like they haven't slept in the same bed as me and been all over me this whole time.
Come here.
What do you need, Finn?
Come on. I need help getting off.
Help getting off the thing? Okay, hold on.
Hand thing.
Okay. Sounds good. Now I'm gonna put this in here. We're gonna put the rice in the water, and no, I do not measure anything. Put rice in the water. Hopefully that was enough. We can hope, but now I gotta see if I have anything. And I do. So now we're going to take it off the heat and put it over here and let it do its thing. Oh, I forgot to stir it. Kind of need to do that. Spoon. There we go. Stir it. And then put the lid on. Yeah, Taylor learning how to cook as she films. Is that how we do this? Is that how we do this? I really wish I could use like actual broccoli. How do you use actual broccoli? That's what I need to know. Someone send me links to how to cook with actual broccoli. I don't understand. I literally cannot stop watching Boy Meets World. I've been binge watching it.
Really liked you at all. I cannot hide it anymore. I've been thinking about the future, trying to forget about the past. So many ways that I could change for the better.
On something for his school. Look at that. He has to match the picture with the word. That doesn't sound like second grade, but I guess. Finley's now on something for school. Okay, let's see.
That are different.
Really?
Yeah, put the different pencils there. Oh. You're a cry. I gotta start a little laundry because this is driving me insane. But yesterday, I think I had mentioned that I talked to my advisor or whatever at school, and she told me to take I think it's a natural science class, stuff that's required for my degree. And I found this class, and it is called From Beast Books to Resurrecting Dinosaurs. And just because of how outlandish it is, I think I'm going to take that course. Just because I find it hilarious. Also, 7th generation laundry stain remover. This stuff is so good, even though they changed the packaging. This was in my last Grove haul that I did, and I think that was like the second one that I've ever had on my page. Ooh, there's 2 bags here. Oh no. When my mom takes the kids on Saturdays, she usually puts their dirty clothes in a bag. And we need to do some towels because we have no towels. This stuff smells amazing. I broke my tripod. I need to buy a new tripod. Is that essential? I think I broke like this piece. Yeah, that's the piece I broke. Whoopsie. I know I just put the washer on, but I wanted to show you what the kids got from book-wise that I bought. So Finley wanted the Frozen Northern Lights, the right track, because it came with these 2 necklaces. One's Anna, one's Elsa. And she wanted this because it's like a sticker storybook, and it's Barbie from the Heat. And these are the books that I got for Xander, but I guess like Finley's going to probably listen to them too. I Survived the Sinking of the Titanic. I Survived the Shark Attacks of 1916. Hurricane Katrina 2005, the attacks of September 11th, 2001, the San Francisco earthquake 1906, and the bombing of Pearl Harbor 1941. Y'all, I'm excited. Can I make the book that I survived the pandemic of 2020? And then I think I remember the Wayside School books. If anybody's remembered them, please put them down below because I feel like I remember these. But this is Sideways Stories from Wayside School. This one, Wayside School is falling down, and Wayside School gets a little stranger. And she also gave us this little card and some saltwater taffy. I don't know what this is. Just a note to remind you that you are so sweet. Oh, okay. Got you. And we also got a packet. This is some of the stuff for Finley's homeschool.